What's up, guys? Just wanted to say really fast before the video gets started, I'm really sorry I missed a whole week's worth of videos. I missed the podcast on Saturday, and I also missed the video I normally just put out during the middle of the week. I think I may start doing a Wednesday upload, just like a normal video, and then do a podcast episode on Saturday mornings. So if that sounds good to y'all, let me know. But again, I'm just sorry that I missed the podcast on Saturday and I missed my normal upload. So if a Wednesday normal upload and a Saturday podcast episode sounds good to you guys every week, let me know. Saturday morning will be the next podcast. We got Mom on there. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say, guys. Hit the like button, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Share the channel with your friends and your family, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.
Just a boy from East Tennessee, just got God, my family, and me. Work my fingers down to the bone is the way I was raised and the way I was shown. The Southern life is the life of me, it's the way I'll always be. The Southern life is the life of me, it's the way I'll always be.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Southern Life. And today we're going to be cleaning up around the house. We've got some trees that are down, that's been down for a long time, that we laid down whenever we was clearing our spot for our house, and they just been kind of sitting over here to the side. And as you guys that watch me a lot know, I've been working overtime for pretty much the past 5 or 6 months. Seems like I've never really got a chance to clean up or do any land clearing that I've wanted to do for a while. So now, it's Good Friday weekend. It's the Saturday after Good Friday, and we got some time to work today. And I've recruited some help. We've got 1/3 of a little Southern Brothers right here going to help us clear some. We've brought the old Mustang Skidsteer out. Isaac's over there. Another 1/3, and then we got Lexi over there with her little goat that she's got here, Mr. Lynn. But Connor is going to swap out the bucket. We're probably going to use the forks first, because we're going to pick them trees up and we're going to cut them up. Okay. So we'll leave the forks on there, and then just come over here behind the house and I'll meet you over there, okay? Okay. But guys, we've got so much we got to get done. As you can see, the grass we sowed last fall, it's starting to come up in places. We'll give it a little while longer and it'll start coming up even more. Dad's been logging that ridge over there and then clearing some of this around. So we've got a lot to do, guys, just taking it one step at a time. But today I've borrowed Dad's Bobcat, or the Skidsteer, and we're going to pick up some of these trees, get them out here in the open, cut them up, and I'll probably just cut them in the firewood for our fire pit over here. So guys, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, guys, share the videos with your friends and with your family. And yeah, guys, check out the podcast episodes I do once every week. I try to have those out on Saturday mornings. So if you're interested, hit the subscribe button, tell all your friends about it. Let's hop into the video.
Ryan's over here picking up some logs we're about to cut up for firewood. He ain't run the Skidsteer in a few days, so I'm gonna see how he's doing right here. So we're trying to keep all the stuff off the ground so we don't dull her stall. What you doing? Y'all like her up?
Got her off the ground here, and some of them might call this cheating, but I call it keeping a saw sharp, not having to worry about it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pull these trees over here one by one. Pretty much we're going to whack them up, probably for firewood for the fire pit right here, or just whatever else we got going on. I brought them over here so we won't have to carry them as far to the the firewood stacking place.
Well, we could just come up over there and put it in the bucket.
Yeah, we'll figure something out.
But, yeah.
Anyway, guys, Duke, he is madder than a hornet. Today is his first day of being tied up because he likes to run to the neighbor's house and to mom and dad's house.
Look, he's
been known. He's been known to like to get in the garbage every once in a while, and I don't like it. Papa don't like it. Dad don't like it. So we've got Duke tied up. Got him a new collar that way. Way we can keep him up. But we'll get the chainsaw. We'll start whacking these things up here. Guys, so we've cut up now about 3 trees, I guess it is. Connor's trying to bring number 4 over here. We've got about 3 or 4 more over here that's been behind the house for a while, and then we'll have all the ones that are on the ground cleaned up, and then it'll just be a matter of putting the bucket on and getting all these pieces over here and stacked up by this tree over here. And like I was saying, I just stack it up over here and just let it kindly dry out. And then whenever we have family over or whatever, we come over here, and sometimes we have weenie roasts or just little get-togethers with our family, and we roast hot dogs and hamburgers and just whatever over here. And so he's brought us another white oak over here. We're gonna cut this up, and you're almost done, guys, so we may finish cutting some of this stuff up, and then whenever it comes to the stacking phase, then we'll catch back up with you. All right, guys, so we've had an issue come up. Lexi and Isaac went to pick up some trash from the church, and they went to go pick up a few things from the store, and they had the chainsaw gas in the back of the truck because they took my truck to haul the garbage, obviously. So now I don't have any more chainsaw gas, but we did get a good bunch of these trees cut up. We still got a few more big ones sitting here, but overall we got a lot of them cut up, so I'm pretty happy with it. So I'm gonna put these other trees over here on the wood line, just put them out of the way, and then we're going to get all this other small pieces that we got cut up stacked over here by the tree, and then probably call it a day. And guys, something else, this is Easter weekend. Today is the day before Easter, and no doubt probably the most important holiday for the Christian. And I just couldn't hardly make this video without talking a little bit about how thankful I am to have a risen Savior. It's just something that's just always just kind of dumbfounded me in a way to know just how insignificant I am to be a part of something so special, and that being God's kingdom. I mean, it's just an amazing feeling to know I've got an advocate with the Father, God, and you know, all the way through life I'll have Him to lean on. And just knowing that Jesus shed His precious blood for my sins, as unworthy as I was, it's just something so special to me. And I hope it is to you too. I hope each and every one of you that are saved watching this. And if you're not, I'm not trying to say I'm better than anybody, just because of my faith. But I do just want to tell everybody I can about it. And yeah, so it's Easter weekend. Hope everybody has a very awesome Easter. It's not about eggs and bunnies. It's about Christ being risen from the grave. And you know, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, I gotta say. But guys, we're gonna get these trees moved out of the way. I didn't mean going to rant like that, but yeah, here we go. Okay guys, so I got done moving these trees over here off to themselves. Probably be a few more days before I can get to the cutting up the rest of them. But I cleaned off this little lot back here behind the house. Took the bucket and scraped off this back area, and I had an accident, which this bucket right here, it was already cracked on this side. Whenever we got this bucket, it come with the skid steer, and just my opinion, they kindly give us one that wasn't no count, and this side was already cracked a little bit, and you see it's kindly cracked back here in the back too. And whenever I was pushing one of them little piles there, I didn't even have nothing hardly heavy. What I was pushing, I guess I just hit the ground kindly wrong, and it was about to give way anyway, and it cracked right here even worse. So that's not good. But anyway, I guess it was going to happen anyway because it was getting in pretty bad shape. But I just hate I borrowed Dad's skid steer there, then messed his bucket up a little bit. But anyway, I'm going to stack all this firewood I've got cut up here. Pretty good little jag. I'm gonna stack it up here, and yeah, I wish I worked as fast on this video whenever I put it in super speed. I wish I worked that fast in real life, but that ain't how it works. So we're gonna stack this firewood here, and yeah, here we go.